Turkey. Yes. Tell us where it's from. Yes. Dead alive. Yes. Tell us where he is. Yes. We're dead. Yes. Give us the body. Yes. That's the authority. Yes. Tell us where it's placed. Yes. They're alive. Yes. See dead. Yes. Give us the body. Yes. We are here. Yes. Pray. Yes. In the rain. Yes. Under the sun. Yes. Will not give up. Yes. Until yes. we see Fred. Yes. Alive. Yes. Or dead. Yes. If he's dead. Yes. Give us the body. Yes. If he's alive. Yes. Let us see him. Yes. Please. Yes. Ambassador of Turkey. Yes. We are here. Yes. We need our brother. Yes. We need our father. Yes. We need our Turkey. Yes. Tell us where it's from. Yes. Dead alive.